Absolutely. I mean, it's a direct fit for any company that's sort of in this business of wireline services, logging companies. There's hundreds, thousands of outfits around the world that would directly benefit from this. But when we look at the broader picture in how the methodology that was used there can be applied to other industries, in the way that the modules were constructed, I can see how, with some effort, some work, subsequent versions of Centerpoint can be also, made to fit with a variety of other, businesses and other variety of other business models.
Yeah. In terms of how that evolved into Centerpoint, I think where we approached this was, okay, so we had a very specific use case here and we developed the solution for that. And then we understood, okay, so how can we make a generic product out of this that will be fit for purpose for the marketplace? So we started looking at each of the modules once again, and we've been adding more configurability to each of those areas so that we can then make it a chameleon for any organization. And why I think this has been quite a unique offering when I've gone and spoken to customers has been, it's the ERP for the man on the ground. It's the ERP for operations, because when you go in typically in those organizations, either they are working with spreadsheets and systems like that are disconnected, disparate systems, or they're using something which is quite convoluted like SAP, or which is more of a finance-driven ERP system. So typically the operations guys were like, that's a finance system, we don't know anything about it, we just we get some data from it, but it doesn't really give them the insights that they need. So where I found that we're hitting the sweet spot with our customers and clients now is that they're saying, I can actually understand what's going on here. This helps me perform my job better. It makes me understand where my equipment is. It makes me understand what the state of that equipment is, the maintenance guys, the asset managers, the logistics teams, all those people working together and having that one ledger of truth, effectively that one version of the truth is where the power is at.